This is LinkedIn Updated, brought to you by LinkAbility. I'm Lynnaire Johnston. Here's what's new. Profile engagement added to analytics. Those with a business premium account or above can now see how the sections of their profile are performing. Choose between impressions or clicks to be shown numbers and percentages for the past 90 days. The section also includes overall post impressions, clicks, and average view time, plus their percentage increase or decrease on the previous week. Documents in Profile Featured section lose features. Previously, when we added a PDF to our featured section, we've had access to such functions as full screen, download, zoom, title with total pages, accessibility mode, and page progress meter. These have now disappeared. Top voice badge move. Currently, the top voice badge sits directly under the headline in the left of the top card or intro section of our profiles. However, it is moving to the right next to the gold LinkedIn logo that identifies a premium account holder. It will also lose the words top voice and display only the LinkedIn logo in blue. Also in the intro section, some members currently find their current company and top education provider have dropped off and need to be reinstated manually. Views of links in posts now visible. We can now see how many times a link in a post has been accessed in the View Analytics section of each piece of content. This is a good reason to avoid adding links to comments. And also in this update, the profile name field is now more restricted. We can no longer add special characters, emojis, or numbers to either our first or our last name on our profiles. The exception to this, a hyphen. The additional name field that sits underneath does not have the same restrictions. And finally, improvement for contacting LinkedIn support. Always a minefield, LinkedIn is streamlining its support options. Instead of a slew of help page options, we can now give details of the problem we are making contact about. Thank you for watching this episode of LinkedIn Updated, brought to you by LinkAbility. I'm Lynnaire Johnston. See you next time.